If you're someone like me who always struggle to get the right visualization for presentations or even let's say for your YouTube videos, please watch this video till the end. This is going to help you the way it helped me to change the visuals in my presentations drastically. Today we are going to talk about Napkin AI. You can use dramatic visuals using Napkin AI based on the text you provide. Let's don't waste any more time, jump into the walkthrough right now. Go to web and search for Napkin AI. Now look at the link that says napkin.ai. Before clicking on the link, we'll be checking the pricing plan. I am personally using the starter plan that says always free. There are other options that says professional plan, free during beta. Similarly, you have an option for enterprise plan that's coming soon. For purpose of this video, I will be using the starter plan. Go and click on the sign up. You get an option to sign in with your Google account. Choose your Gmail account that you want to use for. Now once on the landing page, click on the new napkin. You get two options, draft with AI and then blank napkin. For this video, I will be using the option blank napkin. I will go to another AI tool and get my text generated and formatted. Let's go to Perplexity. I do a search on what are the sources for renewable energy. I select the complete answer from Perplexity and then go back to Napkin AI and then paste it here. Once you paste your text, immediately you get an option on the left hand side for generating your visuals. Now click on generate visuals. Now go to bottom of the page and you'll see your visuals already generated. It's very fast. Now if you look at the visuals, I myself cannot generate these visuals even I spend hours on this. This is really a game changer for people like us who literally struggle to generate eye-catchy visuals for their presentations or even for YouTube videos. Now if you look at the options, this is one, this is the next one, the next one. You can see, like for myself, when I looked at this for the first time, I was not even being able to choose the options that I like. I was liking all the options that generated. Now let's say I like this option, then if you click on it, now once you click on this option, you'll get multiple versions on these visuals. You can choose based on what you like and what you need. Now let's say I choose this one. Now once you finalize your visual, you need to download this in a format you can use in your presentations, in your blog posts or even in your YouTube video. Now you click on this download button, you get an option for changing color mode, background and even resolution. Let's see, if I change the color mode to dark, you can change background, you can on and off, and you can change the resolution also. Now let's go back to the light color mode. I personally though prefer dark mode. Now for download, you get three different options to choose: PNG, SVG and PDF. I like the PNG for now. Based on what you need, you can choose the format. Once you choose the format and your color mode, background and resolution, then for download you have two options. You can choose to do a copy to clipboard and then paste it directly over your presentations or any other place you want to use. Other option is you click the download button and it will be downloaded to your local computer. So this napkin selection for the PNG, this is the one downloaded right now. Now even before you download, you actually have option to edit this visual. You can choose to do a spark search, you can do a level. Let's say let's try this out, like I want to add a level here, and now if I click it here, the same way you have an option for sketch and even image. Now we're going to talk about a very interesting feature. Let's say I generated my visual, but then I realized I don't need all the information I copied. I can choose a certain section of the text I provided, let's say these 3 points, and then regenerate the visual only for these 3 points. Again, same way, if you go towards bottom of the page, you get the options of visuals generated for you. Now let's say if I choose this one, you can change the color of the text or even the boxes before you download. Let's say I want to change the color of the box outline. I can go and change this from blue to let's say orange, and the same way I can change the color of the text also. The same way you can change the color of the text also. You select the text and then go on the top and select from the color palette the color you want for the text, and let's say if I choose here the green, now it's changed to green. Even you can make it bold, or you can change the font of your text. Now wherever you are, you have this undo button here So you can click on this undo button and always go back to the previous page. If you want to watch similar videos, please visit my YouTube channel Dactopian Dreams and subscribe to my channel.